going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. If you're new to the channel, please consider liking and subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. Now, today, we're going to start prep for Thanksgiving. Yes, I know it's still a couple months away, but hey, if you're like me, you like to tinker with different recipes to see if this year you want to try a different one. Make your guests go, that's something good stuff. So today, we're going to try up Meat Church's Honey Hog Rub. Yes, I know it's hog, but we're doing turkey. And we're going to add on to that honey flavor with some honey powder. We amping up that honey. Oh yeah. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. Alright, we're going to go ahead and begin now. This is one turkey breast. I went ahead and bought that little bitty roll that you see next to the turkeys. You know, this breast cost me about $9. Didn't grab the whole turkey because the turkeys at this time are about 40 bucks. So, you know, we're just testing out the seasoning here. Today I'm using some zesty Italian dressing as our binder. Like I said before, we're using some Honey Hog Barbecue by Meat Church. Now, we're not going to put on our honey powder just yet. That's going to come later because if we put that on now, it's going to burn. Because that's just straight honey. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get our smoker set up. Today we're using the Oklahoma Joe Bronco. Not the Bronco, I'm sorry, the Highland. We're going straight offset. Before we move on though, we're going to go ahead and use the MEATSTICK Mini. Go ahead and insert that in. Get our app set up. Go to smoke, go to poultry. We're looking for turkey breast. 165, setting up the meat stick. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put that turkey breast on the smoker. Put a little piece right here. And put our big piece here. We're going to put that larger end to the fire. Although I do have my baffle plate in that'll even out the heat all along the grill. We're going to shut it down, let it run. We're running at about 350 degrees. We're at 140 now. Just put another log on the fire, so that's why we're a little extra smoky. I'm going to throw on some more Italian seasoning because we're about to put on our honey powder. There we go. I got this honey powder off of Amazon. Nice, good layer of honey on there. Let that sit in, and we're going to go ahead and flip it over and put on the honey onto the other side. We just hit 165. We done. Put this little guy off. This breast off. Let that rest for a minute, and we're going to slice in. Let's go ahead and cut into this Let's go ahead and cut it in this turkey real quick. Oh yeah. Very moist and juicy. Just look at that. Nicely done. We done. As you saw, that turkey cut beautifully. These love bugs are attacking me. Guess they love me. Who knows? But we're going to do a quick taste test. Oh yeah. That honey hog, although it's for hogs, definitely try it on some turkey, people. You're going to love it. Get you some extra honey powder, put it on for the last 20 degrees, 25 degrees. Put a nice golden sheen to your turkey. Gives you a nice extra honey flavor to it. Trust me, you'll love it. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.